Welcome to the Cutest. Today we are watching cute and or funny animal videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hey!
Cutest noise I have ever heard in my whole entire life. It makes me just want to cuddle it. Let me tell you, that filter did not help those dogs out in the slightest.
Pickles, you are gonna flip when you see what I bought you! I went to an Asian supermarket today. Look what I got! First of all, I got some baby shrimp, because he loves them, but look what I got him, and he's never had these before. Squid tentacles. I'm gonna get one of these out, and I'm gonna feed him it now. And I'm gonna have stinky fingers. It's frozen, I need to defrost it, but ew. He's gonna love these. They had loads of stuff. I very nearly bought a big pack like this of freshwater crabs, but they were a good size and I was worried they might be a bit too much for him. But yeah, I got it defrosting. Cheers. They've defrosted now, but I realised there's 3 in here. Oops. I think I'm gonna give him this big one. Ready? Let's go give him it. Fishy water. Oh! Oh, they sank. I've got this clip that I'm just gonna let it dangle from. That'll do. I don't want to put my fingers in there holding it because he just wants to chomp on my fingers now. More than anything in the world, he wants my fingers. So this will do. Let's go give him it. Are you ready, boy? You look ready. Hold on. Let's get it on the clip. Is it on? Yes, it is. Ooh, Nemo. Oh, straight to it. I knew you'd like it, you... Oh my God, calm down, boy. It's not going anywhere. Come on, Peabody, take a nibble. I know, he's bashing it around, but take a little nibble. Ooh. He's loving it.
That's adorable.
He's just chasing it. Get it, Peabody, get it. Well done, baby. Oh God, Pickles. It's not gonna last much longer. You need to get in there quick. Oh, calm down, buddy.
I never thought I would say this, but those fish are so cute. I want every single one of them. And the names make them even cuter.
Someone suddenly brought 2 dogs into the lion's habitat. Why would they do that? The lion immediately approached and gently touched one of the dogs, suggesting they were friends. Turns out 6 years ago, the lion, named Bone Digger, was born with a deformed leg and was abandoned by its mother. He was then adopted by a zookeeper named John Reinke at Animal Park in Wynwood, Oklahoma. Every day he would cry out for his mother, and the lack of maternal love made him deeply saddened and desolate. Later on, the owner adopted 2 dachshund dogs. The young lion then became more cheerful and lively. In the blink of an eye, 6 years passed, and the little lion grew into a majestic one. The owner and the 2 dachshund dogs became his most cherished family. Later, the 2 dachshund dogs were sent to live in the city. Bone Digger spent his days in sorrow, climbing onto the dog's house roof, waiting for his old friends to return.
That's sad.
Bone Digger even went several days without eating, which deeply concerned his owner. Half a month later, the farm owner decided to bring the 2 dachshund dogs back. When Bone Digger saw the 2 dogs, he was overjoyed. Being apart for just under a month felt like they had been separated for years. And after the dachshund dogs returned, Bone Digger's spirits lifted once again. The pure love of animals truly commands admiration.
That is the sweetest and the saddest thing I have ever seen. Not only was it really cute that the lion loved those dogs like family, but it was sad to see that he actually missed them too. I need that suit just so I can have hummingbirds come near me. Okay, it's such a smart idea. I need an otter now. I didn't know otters were that playful, but that was super adorable.
I had the day to get stuff done, but somewhere down the line, the stuff's not done. I wonder why. Your guess is as good as mine.
100% facts. Shout out to all the procrastinators.
When the documents weren't in place, Buford, you listening? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds, and then
That dog was not enjoying that conversation. Okay, that's hilarious. That fawn jumping up and down was so adorable, I can't. That's a cuteness overload automatically. The puppy's face though. That was hilarious. How does that physically happen? Like, what situation has to occur for that?
Oh my god, I want to take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck. Look at him.
I think anyone who goes across that cow is gonna want to take him home because that's the most fluffiest freaking cow I have ever seen in my whole entire life. I wouldn't let my dog anywhere near a shark. Even a small one. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which one's your favorite, and I'll have more for you next time. Bye!
Hey everyone, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, as I will be posting multiple times a week under different genres. Liking, subscribing, and commenting will actually help other people see this and help me a lot. I have placed a whole bunch of links down in the description below, including the video shown, my Discord, other social media links, and side projects. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!